Hello, you're welcome, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be explaining to you how to use ECCO software, which allows you to create audiobook, podcast, voiceovers and others, which you can of course sell as products or services on any platform. Right now, let us get started. Now, the first thing you have to do is to come to the sidebar here and you click on projects right here, then you click on create. So right here you see project type. You have to click on this, right, to determine your project type, whether you're going to create audiobook or podcast, voiceover or others, right? You pick anyone you want to do, right? I'm picking audiobook, then you input a title, then author, the keyword, click on next. And then you'll be taken to this interface, right, where you have different methods that you can use to generate content. You can create from scratch and you can import Microsoft Word content. You can import from URL and you can import PDF content, or you make use of our AI chatbot, right? You let AI automatically create content and turn it to audiobook, voiceover, podcast, etc. for you. Right now, let us start with create from scratch. Now, if you're creating from scratch, you click on this, and after that you pick any of the voices that we have right here. We have a number of voices right here which you can leverage on, right? You also come right here to pick any language you want to use, right? I'm using English US. This is standard. You can pick AI voice as well, right? You can pick AI voice. We maintain this IV, and you scroll down, right? Now here you have to generate your content, right? You know, we're creating from scratch, so you have to input your content right here. So after creating your content, right, after typing it, you know, you're creating from scratch, right? You may now come right here to make use of these features here. We have the volume, right? You can reduce the volume and you can increase it, right, to any percentage you want, right? And we also have the tempo. You can increase the tempo right here and you can reduce it, right? And then you may decide to inject pause in your content. Let's say right here, click on pause. And there is erase text right here if you want to remove all the content right here. If you want to remove everything, right, you can just, you know, click on erase text and it goes, right? Then go back. So after that, you have to synthesize, right? You click on synthesize and you see it comes up right here for you, and you can play it here. You can download it to your computer and you can share it, right? Now, let us play it.
And I am elated to let you know that you have the opportunity to make money from the comfort of your home.
You see it's working already.
All you have to do is to follow the secrets I'm about to reveal in this audiobook.
Alright, now you close. Okay, you can download it to your computer. You see it has downloaded to my computer, and that's it. Alright, now you can also share using this share button, right? So you have a code here, an embed code, which you can of course use for your website. You just have to copy the code and embed it in your website, and that's it, right? This is the share link here. Copy this link, right, and you share it with anybody and they make use of it, right? That's it. We also have this view and delete buttons, right? If you want to view, you click on this view and you see it comes up this way for you. All right, you have the content right here if you want to use it again or something, and you have the CTS file URL right here. That's it. Now you go back. So now we also have the import Microsoft Word content feature right here, where you can import any Word document, and you know, we will copy the content and turn it to audiobook, voiceover or podcast as the case may be. Now let us click on it. Then you click on choose file, then you pick your Microsoft doc, click on open, right, and you add document. And then you come to language here, you pick your language, right, go for English. Then we have voice generator. You have standard and AI voice. You can pick AI voice, right? You can preview it.
My name is Ivy. I will read any text you type here.
Hi,
Preview it.
my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
Hi, my name is Joey. I will read any text you type here.
Alright, I want to pick Joey. You pick your voice, then you scroll down. And this is the Microsoft document that I just uploaded. Alright, it has generated the content for me. And here you can adjust the volume as usual. Right, you can increase it or decrease it. We have the tempo here as well. Then if you want to inject pause at any point in your content, in your audiobook, voiceover or podcast as the case may be, let's say here, let me put it here, and inject pause, right? You can erase the content if you like. You can erase the content, alright? So after that, you synthesize and your work has been generated, right? Your ECCO content has been generated for you, alright? You can play it right here. You click on this play button.
Weight loss should occur when you eat fewer calories than you burn.
Already.
Increasing physical activity while limiting.
Pause it. You close. Alright, you can also download it, and you see it has downloaded right here. Okay, and you can also share it just like we did earlier on. You can make use of the embed code and you can share the link right here. Okay, now let us close. You go back, and of course right here we have the view button and we have the delete button. If you want to remove the content as a whole completely, you will delete it right here, and that's it. All right, now we move on to the next method right here. We have the import from URL, right? You can provide any website, blog or store URL, and the system, the ecosystem, will automatically grab useful content from the URL or website or blog as the case may be, and turn it to audiobook, voiceover or podcast for you. All right, now let us try that and see. Click on it. Right here you have to enter your URL, paste it right here, then you add content. All right, so you'll be taken right here, okay, where you have to pick a language. South Africa, UK, US, any language that you want to use. It could be French, right? Now US, you can pick AI voice or standard as the case may be. All right, then you scroll down and you see the content right here. Okay, you can decide to adjust the content to your taste, and once you're done, you adjust the volume, right, the tempo. Then if you want to add pause at any point in your content, you can do that, right? Pause right here. And then if you want to erase it, then you synthesize. And so right here, as you can see, the content has been generated. You have your ECCO content right here, and you can play it, or you download it, or you share it just like we have been doing, right? You can play it right here. Okay, as you can see, it's playing already. You close it and you can download it to your computer. You can share right here, okay, and you can view or delete the content right here. That's it. So now let us move to the other method. We have the import PDF content. All you have to do right here is to import any PDF content that you have in your computer, and we'll copy the content and turn it to audiobook, voiceover or podcast as the case may be. All right, you click on it, and here you have to choose your PDF file. Click on choose file, pick your PDF file, and you click on open, right? You see right here, and you add PDF. And then you'll be taken here where you have to pick the language here again. Pick your language, then you pick your voice generator, standard or AI voice, right? You can preview your voices right here. Let me pick Joanna, right? Then you scroll down and you see the content right here. So the content here, you see the content here, the PDF content right here. Okay, now here is the volume as usual. Then you have the tempo here as well, right? Let me use 2. Okay, 1 is okay. Then you can inject pause, right? Let me put pause right here. See, there is pause. Then you can erase the content if you like, and then you click on synthesize, and you see the content has been synthesized and you have it right here, and you can of course play it right here.
Confident that by the end of it you will be a much better and knowledgeable writer, understanding exactly what copywriting is in the...
So you can also download it to your computer, right, by clicking here just like we've been doing, and you can share it right here. Copy the embed code and the share link right here. Okay, you close it, and of course you can view and delete it later on if you don't want it anymore. All right, and that's it. We also have the AI chatbot right here. All you need are your keywords, which you have to input, and the AI will generate the content for you. All right, so you click on AI chatbot, then you'll be taken right here. You see the ECCO AI chatbot right here. Now what you have to do here is to enter your prompt here, right, and it will generate the content for you. All right, in a week, craft an interesting content on how to lose weight in a week. You just enter the keywords, and once you're done, you click on this red button and it will start generating the content for you. You can activate voice right here, and you just speak to the AI chat bot, right, to prompt it to generate content for you. Now let's try that. Create an interesting content on how to lose weight in just 1 week. You see, and it's creating already. As you can see right here, the ECCO AI chatbot is generating our content for us right here. This is amazing. All right, you see, it keeps generating the content, right? And once it's done, all you have to do is to come right here and copy the content. You click on this button, copy text, and it is copied already. Now you have to go back. You click on this. All right, and now you come right here, you select your language. Do not forget to do that. Then you determine your voice generator, AI voice. You preview it.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
You check another one. Say Matthew.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
Alright, I think I like this. Then you pick Matthew. Alright, then you move on, scroll down, and then you come to the box right here and you paste your content here. You see, this is the content that was generated by ECCO AI chatbot. Alright, now you come here as usual, you adjust your volume to your taste. Okay, then you can adjust the tempo as well, and you come to pause here. Probably you want your content to pause at a point. Let's say right here. You can inject pause. All right, then you click on synthesize. Bravo, our audiobook, voiceover, or podcast, as the case may be, has been created, and you can play it right here to see. Click on play.
One may seem like a daunting task, but with the right plan and dedication, it is definitely achievable. Here are some tips on how to kickstart your weight loss journey and shed those extra pounds in just 7 days.
Alright, now you click on close, then you can download it to your computer as well. You click here and you see it has been downloaded. Right, perfect. Then you click on share as well. You can highlight this and copy the embed code and embed it into your website, your blog, as the case may be. And you can also share the link to your podcast, to your audiobook, or voiceover, as the case may be. Then let's go back, and also right here you can view your content again. You scroll down, you see the content right here. Okay, that's it. Then you click on go back again, and you can also delete the project if you want. So after creating your audiobook, your voiceover, or your podcast, as the case may be, you have to go to the marketplace right here. You come to marketplace here and you place your content there, right? You click on marketplace, then you log in with your ECCO details. Click on sign in. When you are in here, you have to come to the sidebar here. You see marketplace, and you click on it, and you'll be taken right here where you have to, of course, enter your name, the description of your marketplace, and you upload a logo for your marketplace. Name, then a description of your marketplace. Alright, you enter your description, and then you choose file here to upload your logo. You pick your file. Alright, then you click on open. You see it has displayed right here, and that's it. So now you come right here to click on save, and now marketplace has been created. Good and perfect. So the next thing now is to come right here to click on add audiobooks. Click on it, and you come to create audiobooks. Click on it, and right here you have to input your basic information. Now you enter the title of your audiobook, the category of the audiobook, the author name, that is your name, the marketplace that you want to select. Alright, because you have just one marketplace, it shows only this marketplace. Then you enter the price. Okay, let's do that. You say the title, 5 simple steps to lose weight in a week. You also have the category, it's health, then the author Michael Steve, and the marketplace here, then the price. The price is $200. Alright, now you go to description, you click on description. Here you have to enter your description, the description of the audiobook that you want to upload, or the voiceover, or the podcast, as the case may be. You enter the description here, and here you enter the short description. Right, that's it. You have the description here, and you have a short description right in this box. Now when you've done that, you also come here again and you click on book, cover, image, and file. Alright, now right here you have to upload the cover image of your audiobook. Now you click on browse here, then you have drag and drop files here. You can drag and drop the file right here. Then you can also click on it, and you see you can upload the file. You pick your file, then you click on open. Alright, it uploads, and you see it's displaying right here, file upload successful. Alright, then you scroll down right here and you click on this box. Right, then you select this file, and as you can see, it has been uploaded. Your cover image is right here. Now you have to upload your audiobook file right here as well. You pick your audiobook file which you've downloaded to your computer, click on browse. You can drag and drop the file here too, but then you can always click here to upload. Right, you scroll down and you pick your file, click on open, it's uploading. You see file upload successful. Alright, you have your audiobook file uploaded as well. Now you have to check this box, and then you come to this side and you select this file. You see the file is right here already. Now once you've done this, you click on save right here. The audiobook has been added successfully, and that is it. Now let us go back to our marketplace. Wow, and as you can see right here, a link has been generated for our marketplace, right? John Mark Marketplace. There is a link for it here already, right? And all you have to do to access your marketplace, to go to your marketplace, is just to click on the link right here. Okay, now after clicking on the link, let us see how the marketplace actually looks like. All right, wow, this is how your marketplace looks like. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is absolutely stunning. Alright, now when your customer actually gets to your marketplace here, all they have to do is to pick any of the audiobook, voiceovers, or podcasts that they actually want. If your customer wants this healthy eating, they click on it right here and they'll be taken to this place, right? And now all they have to do is to read the description right here very quickly and click on buy now. And right here they're gonna input their full name, their email, phone number, the quantity of the audiobooks or podcasts that they want, and their address. And right here they have to select the payment method, whether through PayPal or Stripe, as the case might be. All right, now full name right here, the email, phone number, the quantity, right, might be 2 or 3, let's say 3, and the address right here. They enter their address, and of course they select the payment method and proceed with payment. All right, now they come right here to make payment, and once they click on pay now, you're going to receive the payment and you process the order, and that's it. So thank you very much. See you again in the next video.